Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Genesee, local and long distance movers near me. When it's time to relocate 100 miles or further, we offer the right options for your needs, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team offers plenty of options when you need to tackle long-distance moves. You can choose full-service options to save time and energy or basic moving options. When it's time to relocate, we make the process so much easier. Are you thinking about hiring an Idaho moving company for your local move? Do you wonder if it's worth the cost? For many homeowners and business owners, it is well worth it. You will save time and energy on your local move, which can make settling in easier. Using a team like 3 men and a truck can help you streamline the entire moving process. We know how to get you there faster and safer. Our team of movers will take care of everything, even a larger move, in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Genesee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.